Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 1. In these presentations, we are going to discuss the comparisons between two operating systems widely used in server environments, Linux Fedora and Windows Server 2003. Our presentations will focus on three major aspects, and the first one is graphical user interface, and the second is the facilities or the features, and the last one is the required system resources. And the goal is of this presentation is to provide a clear understanding of which operating system is more suitable based on different needs, and to highlight the strengths offered by each system. Next, the definitions of operating system. Before discussing the comparisons, we need to understand what an operating system is. Okay, and an operating system is the core software that controls and manages all computer activities and acts as a bridge between users, applications, and hardware. It ensures that its components of the computer works in coordination. The main functions of an operating system is the first to process managements. So, the operating system will manage running programs, CPU scheduling, and multitasking. And the second is the memory management. So, the operating systems will allocate and control the RAM uses among applications. And the third is the file management to provide file structures for storing, accessing, modifying, and managing files. And the fourth is input and output device management to control communications between the computer and input and output device. And the last one is the security and system protections to control and authentications, permissions, and protects the system from internal and external threats. Without an operating system, a computer cannot operate efficiently because there is no central controller to manage all system components. And the next material will present by uh, Dede Rifki.
So this is an overview of Linux Fedora. Fedora is an open source Linux distribution, meaning that users are free to use, modify, and distribute. Developed by the Fedora community and sponsored by Red Hat. Known for its security, stability, and adoption of cutting-edge technologies. The key advantage of Fedora is equipped with SA Linux security enhanced Linux, making it highly secure for enterprise-level usage, supporting by a large global community with board documentation. Provide an extensive repository of software for server networking, development, and daily computing. Suitable for server developer and cognitive environments, supporting tools such as Docker, Kubernetes, virtualization, JIT, Python, and many more. After that, we overview of Windows Server 23. Windows Server 23 is a server-based operating system developed by Microsoft for enterprise and networking services. Popular for its ease of use, especially for administrators familiar with the Windows environment. The key advantage of Windows Server 23 is feature Active Directory, which enable centralized management of user, computer, and network domains. Support group policy, allowing administrators to enforce system rules across network client easily. Integrated with Internet Information Service, as known as IIS for web service. High compatibility with many enterprise and business applications built for the Windows ecosystem. Familiar user interface makes server administration faster for beginners. And for the next slide, it's gonna be explained by my friend Akmal.
Okay, next, comparison of GUI, graphical user interface. Well, so in this slide, I will explain the differences between the GUI of Linux Fedora and Windows Server 2003. First, in terms of look and design, Fedora uses GNOME and KDE, which looks more modern and highly customizable. Meanwhile, Windows Server 2003 still use the classic Windows interface that most users are already familiar with. Okay, next, for ease of use, Fedora can be a bit challenging of the beginners, especially because many tests will rely on the terminal. On the other hand, Windows Server is very easy for Windows user since everything is GUI based. Okay, next of customization, Fedora is way more flexible. You can modify themes, icon, layout, and a lot more. Windows Serve has more limited customization option. Okay, and last for dependence on the CLI. Fedora require frequent terminal use, while Windows Serve mostly relies on UI tools. So less command line interaction is needed. So in conclusion, if you want usability and simplicity, Windows Serve is win. But if you want flexibility and customization, Fedora is better choice. Okay, next, comparison of facilities and feature. For this slide, I will compare the feature provided by Linux, Fedora, and Windows Serve. Starting with security. Fedora has very strong security thanks to Shell Linux and its built-in firewall. Windows Serve is also secure, but is more vulnerable to malware, especially today since support has ended. For the license, Fedora is completely free and open source. Windows Serve require a paid commercial license. In the terms of software availability, Fedora offers a wide range of free of open source applications, while Windows Serve mainly focus on Microsoft-based and business-centered software. Next, for server service, Fedora support Apache, Nginx, Samba, DNS, DSHP, DHCP, and many more. Windows Serve specialize in service like Active Directory, IIS, Group Policy, DNS, and DHCP. And last, for updates, Fedora receives continuous updates, while Windows Serve updates have officially stopped because it has reached end of support. Okay, additional notes. Fedora is great for modern server environment like web server, database, DevOps, and cloud computing. Windows Server 2003 is only suitable when our organization depends heavily on all Microsoft-based system. Okay, maybe next will be explained by Malik.
Okay, here comparison of required resources if we want to use Linux, Fedora, or Windows Server 2003. There are several aspects. Firstly, RAM usage. Linux Fedora is used low to medium resources. Besides that, Windows Server 2003 is used high resources. Secondly, CPU performance. Linux Fedora is efficient. Windows Server 2003 heavier workload. Thirdly, hardware compatibility. Linux Fedora is very flexible, but Windows Server 2003 is more specific requirements. And finally, cost. Linux Fedora is free, but Windows Server 2003 paid licensing and maintenance. Further explanation, Fedora can run on low to high-end machines, allowing significant cost savings, especially for server deployment at scale. Windows Server 2003 requires higher hardware resources and incurs additional licensing costs. So because of that, Fedora is significantly more cost efficient and resource efficient compared to Windows Server 2003. Okay, here the final conclusion between Linux Fedora and Windows Server 2003. For GUI, Windows Server 2003 is more superior, but for features and resource efficient, Linux Fedora is more superior than Windows Server 2003. So overall, Linux Fedora is better operating system in general due to its strong security, modern server capabilities, hardware efficiency, and free licensing. But Windows Server 2003 remains useful only in environments heavily dependent on Microsoft services and Windows-based business applications. Although it faces security risks due to discontinued updates.
So that was all about the comparisons material between the Linux Fedora and Windows Server 2003 operating system. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.